A rich and easy rabbit stew recipe with lots of vegetables. Red wine cooked in a salad master skillet frying pan. A hearty and super delicious rabbit dish. Perfect for those who never had rabbit before. Have you ever eaten rabbit? It is an eligible question. Most people I know have never eaten rabbit in their lives. And many of them don't even have an interest in trying it. Too bad. Because the rabbit tastes great and have benefits. Cut the rabbit into 5 or 6 smaller pieces. I didn't use the backbone and the ribs for the stew. I made rabbit and chicken stock with them. Sear the rabbit meat. Heat a tablespoon of the oil in a salad master frying pan skillet or another heavy bottom pot. And fry the rabbit pieces on both sides until golden. Remove from the pan. Pour the remaining oil in the pot. Fry the onions and celery on medium-low heat, stirring often, for about 20 minutes. Place the seared rabbit pieces back in the pot. Add the tomato paste and then stir it for a couple of minutes, until the tomato paste has become dark and well coated the meat. Add Cabernet Sauvignon red wine. This is the most popular wine in the world, and for good reason. Add fresh rosemary, thyme, and bay leaves. Then season with salt and pepper. Add the rabbit and chicken broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer. Season with salt and pepper if needed. Cover and let simmer until rabbit meat is tender, for about 30 to 45 minutes. Don't forget to stir from time to time and add a little more broth or water if the liquid reduces too much. Add the pre-cooked vegetable and adjust the taste with salt and pepper if needed. And that's it. If you are watching this far, I'm pretty sure you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button so every time I have new upload cooking video you will be notified. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.